In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Looker Studio error message. If you're seeing an error on your report that mentions a missing data source or a dataset configuration issue, don't worry. This usually means the data connection used by the report has been interrupted. It can happen when credentials expire, when a sheet or table is moved or renamed, or when permissions change. The fix is quick and happens entirely within the report. Start by opening your report and going to the top menu. Click on Resources, then choose Manage Added Data Sources. This opens a panel with all the data sources attached to your report. Find the data source that your report is using, the one associated with the charts or controls that are showing the error. If you have several, look for the one you recognize by name or connector type, or the one that's flagged with an issue. Select that data source, then click Edit. This opens the data source configuration screen. At the top left, click Edit Connection. This is where Looker Studio checks the link to your underlying data. In many cases, the connection simply needs to be refreshed. Now, click Reconnect at the top right. Looker Studio will attempt to reestablish the link to your data. If your access is valid and nothing significant changed in the underlying schema, the reconnect will complete in a moment. If there were changes to fields, like renamed columns, Looker Studio may show a brief summary of what's different so you can confirm. Review those notices carefully so your charts continue to work as expected. When the reconnect finishes, return to your report. Your visuals should reload without the error. If something still looks off, make sure you selected the correct data source for the affected charts and confirm you're signed into the account that has permission to the data. It also helps to give the report a moment to refresh. A few quick tips as you do this. Keep the data source name clear and consistent so it's easy to identify later. If you often switch between accounts, double-check you're using the right one before reconnecting. And if your data structure changes regularly, plan for that by keeping field names stable or updating your report soon after any changes. That's it. By opening Resources, choosing Manage Added Data Sources, editing the correct data source, clicking Edit Connection, and then hitting Reconnect, you can resolve the missing data source or configuration error and get your Looker Studio report back on track.